One mid-tier property at 6 million pesos can give you about 216,000 pesos gross from rent. That is a gross rental yield of 3.6%. So remember, 3.6%. We will compare that to a unit na 60 million pesos. So one premium property at 60 million pesos can give you about 3.6 million pesos gross from rent, and that is a gross rental yield of what? 6%. Are you considering investing in real estate, especially if you have 60 million pesos? What will you do if you have 60 million pesos? So you're not sure whether you will go buy one unit of a 60 million condo or 10 units of condos that's worth 6 million pesos. So which is better? Well, if you prefer a prestigious low maintenance asset that promises long-term growth, buying 160 million peso condo might just be the smarter move. In this video, we'll dive into 5 compelling reasons why investing in a 60 million peso condo would be better versus 10 units of 6 million condo. We'll break down everything from appreciation potential and even to the benefits of exclusive living. So stick around until the end because I will give you an update of exciting projects where you can make your money work hard for you that it can grow. So stick around until the end. You don't want to miss this. So here are the 5 reasons why a 60 million condo would be better versus 10 units of 6 million condos. First reason, features and amenities will tend to be more attractive to long-term tenants. Interested tenants looking for long-term accommodations are more likely to choose premium condos, wherein properties that are usually built with upgraded functions like smart home technology. Additionally, premium condos are equipped with amenities that provide convenience and accessibility to everyday essentials and recreational activities. Smart home technology is really important. At least even if you are not yet in the condo and sometimes mainit sa room, you can just turn on the aircon virtually. So when you are now in your condo, malamig na. So imagine the convenience. So having everything available and within reach attracts long-term stays and guarantees tenant satisfaction. We want happy tenants, longer stays because it will result to lower turnovers and stable cash flow for property investors. Second reason, prestige and location. High value properties are often located in prime areas, offering better amenities, views, and accessibility. So this can attract high-end tenants or buyers. So let's talk about accessibility. So high-end condos in areas like Makati, QC, Pasig are situated near business districts, shopping centers, schools, and hospitals. A strategic location is very important that you are in proximity to the places you need to go because here in the Philippines, you don't want to be stuck in traffic. You've been there, you don't want to waste your time in traffic. So an important thing is the location must be strategic. All the more, this makes high-end condos more desirable for professionals, expatriates, and even families. Let's also talk about transportation. So these areas are well connected by major roads and public transportation systems, providing ease of travel going to and from work or other destinations. Another benefit is amenities and lifestyle. High-end condos offer superior amenities such as swimming pools, gyms, spas, and concierge services. They also include advanced security features, ensuring a safe living. Safety and security is really important because it will give you peace of mind knowing that you and your family they are safe. Another thing is community and social opportunities. These social opportunities would bring you in proximity to high net worth individuals, even expats, that would be good to your business or potential business, or you can get an investor because of that, or maybe something that can help you in your career. So that is good. More connections to people you know who can help you. Another thing is educational institutions. Top universities are near in these high-end property condos. UP, Ateneo de Manila, De La Salle University, and even private high schools like St. Paul of Pasig, Miriam College, yung Poveda College, La Salle Green Hills are highly considerable factors in choosing a place to call home for families within the area. Another essential thing to consider is the healthcare facility, access to premium healthcare, because etong mga high-end condos, they are often located near top hospitals and healthcare facilities such as St. Luke's Medical Center. This will give you peace of mind that when there's an emergency, or especially if you have senior citizens, you will be near a top hospital that can give you quality healthcare. So let's do a recap. So the first reason, features and amenities will be more attractive to long-term tenants. And reason number two, that there is prestige and location. So let's go to the third reason. Reason number three, resale value and capital appreciation. Premium condos, generally, they have a higher resale value compared to the lower end condos. The demand for luxury living spaces in prime locations ensures that you have a broader market for resale. We can also show stats that how high-end condos outperformed low-end condos. Properties in high-end condos tend to appreciate faster, and it's because of their superior location and quality. So their value will increase significantly over a period of time. Similar to rental income, we can even show statistics where itong mga higher premium condos, you would earn more should you want to sell it versus low to mid-tier condos. What I'm showing you now is a data by Lichu. We know he is, or they are, the authority in property research, and data has backed it up that high-end condos in premium locations tend to outperform the mid-market range. So in this particular slide, this is the Philippine property market update of second quarter. It's a busy slide. You can see in the light blue bar, that's the second quarter of 2023 average asking price per square meter. The higher blue bar, the darker blue bar, this is the second quarter of 2024 average asking price per square meter. So you can see that there is a pattern that it's really growing. Data is backing it up, that you know that the high-end condo property market will really appreciate. Think about it. The premium condos, the reason that they are appreciating faster because they are scarce as opposed to the units in the low to the mid-market tier na mas marami. So definitely, because of the scarcity of these premium condos, it would appreciate more and more. And in the world of investing, we know that it's all about supply and demand. Supply and demand. The more people who would want the property, that would tend to hold the value of the property even in a long period of time. And it doesn't stop there. Because of these premium property condos, they are well maintained. And if you have bought it maybe 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, itong mga condos na to, because they are well maintained, investors would want it because it's still a beautiful building. And investors want that, and that would make it massively better. Now we go to the fourth reason, higher rental income. It's not just about the ability to earn from it when you sell it, but also having passive income. And if you have been long enough in this channel, alam nyo that we have been talking about passive income, that you can have passive income for life. What's interesting with these premium properties, you get higher return compared to the lower to mid-market properties. Premium condos will attract tenants who would want to pay more because of its upgraded amenities, because of its prime location, resulting in a higher rental yield. Aside from the predictability of cash flow, we can also see that there will be a higher rental yield because the market that we are attracting in these high-end condos would be foreigners, expats, or generally people who have a higher spending power. So now let's compare a mid-tier property versus a high-end property. One mid-tier property at 6 million pesos can give you about 216,000 pesos gross from rent. That is a gross rental yield of 3.6%. So remember, 3.6%. We will compare that to a unit na 60 million pesos. So one premium property at 60 million pesos can give you about 3.6 million pesos gross from rent, and that is a gross rental yield of what? 6%. So yung sa low to mid-market segment, 3.6%, and here in the premium condo 6%. You can see almost double yung rental yield. Your money would be more worth it in a high-end premium condo. As you can see, the yields of premium condos are higher given its scarcity, its ability to grow further in the future, and the tenant's preference to pay higher for a better unit. And now the last, reason number 5, lower vacancy rates. We have established that premium condos are highly attractive to investors, future homeowners, tenants because of the convenience and accessibility they provide alongside strategic locations being near business districts and educational institutions. And that's a result of just having a condo in a strategic location that is quality. More people would want it. If more people would want it, they will tend to rent longer. And if they will rent longer, lesser vacancies. And you want that so that if you are renting it out, consistent cash flow. So these desirable factors are really a testament that there is a demand for a high-end condo property wherein RLC residences step up to the challenge. And also they become a service to the Filipinos who are looking for quality properties and even home ownership. So once you have gone all the reasons, yung 5 reasons natin why a 60 million condo would be better versus a 10 units ng 6 million condo each, syempre, the next basic step is to look and find for a credible developer. So I'll give you a checklist. So when you will decide on a property developer, you will have an informed choice at hindi ka masascam. So here's the first one in the list. Has a strong list of credentials with a history of successful projects. We don't want that the money that you will invest, it will be unfinished, sayang pera, di ba? We want that they have a track record, that they have successful projects na tapos yung projects. Next in the list is recognized to prioritize quality construction with advanced materials and up-to-date certifications. Third one is historically turnovers of RFO units or ready for occupancy units are on time. We all know that time is money. The faster that you get the unit, you will have the ability to earn from it and make your money work hard for you. And syempre, we hear stories from friends and even from Facebook where yung binayad nila sa condo na tuloy-tuloy and their expected date of RFO, hindi pa rin tapos. When they visited it, nakita nila, yung iba talahib pa, yung iba foundation pa lang ang natatayo. So it's important that it would be on time. Lastly, reliable after-sales service. Of course, when you have a condo and when there will be a problem, of course, you want people who will be with you, professionals even after sales, that whether you will sell the condo or rent it out, you want these professionals who will help you na hindi ka ghost or matagal mag-reply or hindi ka pansinin. You want professionals to stand behind you to support you in making the transaction more convenient. And the top of mind for me is RLC Residences kasi I know that they have been consistently delivering quality projects, different projects, and even nakikita nyo that they really have done amazing condos throughout the years. And just like what I've said when we started the video that we will give you an update, I know that they have a new condo property where you can invest on. I'll show you some photos, and ito mga photos you can even see in the internet then. So their newest one is Le Pont Residences. So this is a 2-tower high-rise condo. and it's located in Bridgetown Destination Estate, which spans both QC and Pasig, bringing convenience to the next level. They have multi-level hyper-sized amenities and generously sized unit types, so ranging from 1BR to penthouse, and are built within the property, complemented with smart home features like we talked about earlier and technology. Le Pont Residences is also EDGE certified, ensuring top tier sustainability and energy efficiency. So if you really want to help our planet, you want to choose ng practices that's green. And itong Le Pont Residences, they are EDGE certified. And I'll show you some photos more, swimming pool, amenities. You can really see it's really premium. Here's a layout of their 2-bedroom unit. It's generously sized. Kita nyo, it is 115 square meters. The next photo here is dining and kitchen area. Then this is the master's bedroom. Then lastly, the secondary bedroom. With all things considered and having a developer in mind, so do you think investing in a 60 million condo would be worth it? Would it be better compared to 10 units of a 6 million condos? With all the reasons that we have said, definitely it's a yes. And if you want, you can also consider the new offering of RLC Residences, which is Le Pont Residences. So if it's a yes, it's Le Pont Residences. You should. Another thing, no, if you will invest in a 60 million condo na iisa, you will just talk to one tenant and one broker, as opposed to 10 units na 10 tenants and multiple brokers. So, mas maraming kausap. So, it's even more simplified, less sakit sa ulo if you will invest in a one unit of 60 million premium condo. So, if you want to learn more about luxury condos and how you can invest on it, click the link in the description so that you will learn more about these things. I hope that you learned a lot in our session. So if you have questions, as always, comment down below. If you want to learn more about these things, let us know. But of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you guys. Thank you so much.